everyone, welcome back to a whole new session from Edureka. My name is Vajiha, and in this session on life in a digital marketing career, I'll walk you through some important insights of your career in digital marketing. So let's take a quick look at what's in store for you guys. We shall first begin with a small introduction to digital marketing, and then we shall see how digital marketing helps businesses. Then we shall see who is a digital marketer, the skills that are required, roles and responsibilities, job roles, and the pay scales for digital marketers. So before we begin, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest Edureka videos. Also, if you are interested in getting an online training certification in digital marketing, check out the link given in the description box below. So without any further delays, let's move on. The term marketing is not just about promoting and advertising. It is a complex concept where you send across the right messages to the right person via the right medium. Digital marketing in precise deals with promoting your business through digital channels like internet, websites, emails, and many more. It has been around since the year 1970, where a pioneer programmer, Ray Tomlinson, who implemented the first email program on ARPANET system. Ever since then, there has been a drastic growth in the field of digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is becoming very popular due to increase in internet users, mobile phone users, and digital content consumption. You can also put it across like this. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that promote your product or brand using electronic devices or majorly the internet. It leverages online marketing tactics such as search marketing, email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and mobile marketing to connect with current and prospective customers. From small scale to large scale businesses, operators use digital marketing to promote, create awareness about the product, generate leads, and get the product sold. The ultimatum is to benefit both the provider and the customer. Now that you've understood the basics of digital marketing, let's move on and understand how digital marketing helps businesses. Each company has its specific set of goals, but the majority of them are only concentrating on driving sales to their organizations and finding new gateways to success. This is where the marketing strategy comes into the picture. To make your company's work more effective, you have to take advantage of almost all the valuable marketing resources and technologies. The internet tops the list. Having a digital marketing strategy for your business lets you be a dynamic part of unavoidable and lucrative online marketing framework. Let us dig into the important role of digital marketing for business growth. Greater exposure. Digital marketing gives a fair chance to all businesses that prefer online branding and advertising. Website traffic. Digital marketing allows you to see the exact number of people who viewed your website's page in real time by using digital analytics software. Content performance and lead generation. With digital marketing, you can measure how many people exactly viewed the page where it's hosted. And also, you can collect the contact details of people who downloaded it by using forms. Attribution modeling. Attribution modeling is an effective strategy for digital marketing that allows you to trace all your sales back to a customer's first digital touchpoint with your business. It helps you identify trends in which people research and buy your products, which help you make informed decisions about what parts of your marketing strategy deserve attention. So with that, it is clear that businesses in the modern economy need digital marketing to compete. So who exactly is a digital marketer? A digital marketer is a person responsible for developing, implementing, and managing marketing campaigns that promote your company and its products and/or services. These people identify and evaluate new digital technologies and use web analytics tools to measure site traffic to better optimize marketing campaigns, email marketing, social media, and display and search advertising. Digital marketers are born from a vast online presence. They also help in developing marketing strategies for their company. Not just that, they also help in managing ad campaigns, SEO, social media. They are also responsible for tracking the KPIs or key performance indicators in order to measure the success of the organization. Some of the job roles of a digital marketer are digital marketing executive, digital manager, SEO manager, SEM specialist, social media marketing manager, and so on. So what are the skills that one needs to possess in order to become a digital marketer? Some of the important skills that you will need to possess is having a good amount of exposure to digital marketing channels like SEO, PPC content, email, and social media. You'll also need to be good at data analysis, and you should be able to analyze the effectiveness of efforts. You should know the basic operations of Excel and WordPress. Make sure you're also aware of Google Analytics. Skills such as basic design skills and sales skills are very important. Also, you'll have to be an objective and a creative thinker. In addition to that, digital marketers are tech savvies and have the ability to adapt to any kind of environment. So what are the roles and responsibilities that you perform as a digital marketer? Some of the roles and responsibilities that you'll have to perform is create a marketing campaign on your own and get good leads, assist in formulation of strategies in order to build a lasting digital connection with customers, plan and monitor the ongoing process on social media platforms, always be actively involved in SEO, create good content that is helpful for both customers as well as businesses, analyze the insight of your websites using Google Analytics, help maintain a good relationship with customers, ability to be more creative and up to date with the latest technology trends. Okay, so that was about some of the roles and responsibilities that you will have to do as a digital marketer. Now moving on towards the job roles. Digital marketing is for creative and passionate people. The digital marketing job field is highly result-driven and enhances your knowledge and creativity skills. There are many digital marketing job roles, but I've noted down a few that will definitely help you out. The first is digital marketing executive. As a digital marketing executive, it is your responsibility to look into online marketing strategies for businesses. You should plan and execute marketing campaigns and maintain and supply content for the website. Digital marketing manager. The primary role of a digital marketing manager is to brand your product out in the digital space. You are to develop, implement, and manage marketing campaigns that promote the products and services of your company. SEO executive. The primary role of an SEO executive or a specialist is to rank a website page on the search engine result page and to increase the website's traffic. SEO sector is thriving today and SEO executive jobs will always be in demand. Social media marketing experts are responsible for combining marketing and social media management to enhance the company's social media presence, interaction with target audiences, promoting the brand's engaging content, and expanding the opportunities for increasing the revenue. Social media marketing expert. Social media marketing experts are responsible for combining marketing and social media management to enhance companies' social media presence, interaction with target audiences, promoting the brand's engaging content, and expanding the opportunities for increasing the revenue. Conversion rate optimizer. A conversion rate optimizer or CRO is responsible for rate of the company's conversion strategy and lead generation. As a CRO executive, you will be responsible for managing, testing, and implementing conversion points into digital marketing funnel. SEM specialist. There is a dedicated search engine marketing specialist who is mainly into targeting the number of leads and clicks from the given marketing budget, manage bid, ad copywriting, keyword research, analysis, and test ad campaigns. Content marketing manager. Content marketing manager is responsible for creating valuable content and has the desired skills to market it. Managing blogs, video marketing, marketing campaigns, ebook publications, guest blogging, email communications, sales page copywriting, and many more are taken care of by the content marketing manager. So now that you know the job roles, let's move on and take a look at the pay scales for them. So we'll be talking about pay scales in India and in the US. Digital marketing salaries varies according to work profile, experience, and talent. If you have all the three, you'll definitely be able to barge into the opportunity. So talking about digital marketing manager. The graphs that you see on the screen are taken from the PayScale website. The average salary for a digital marketing manager in the US is around $65,488. When it comes to India, it's about 5.15 lakhs. The graphs on the screen also give you an idea as how the salary increments with experience. So talking about SEO manager. The average salary for an SEO manager in the US is about $67,475. In India, it's about 5 lakhs per annum. Social media managers earn about $49,881 in the US, whereas in India, it's about 3,66,000. Content manager. A content manager earns about $57,734 in the US, and in India, it's somewhere around 5,72,000 per year. Last but not the least, the SEM specialist earns about $47,186 in the US, and in India, it's around 3,66,000 per annum. So with this, we reach the end of the session. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new. In case you have any doubts or queries, Please do let me know in the comment section and I will revert to you at the earliest. We'll be back with more and more exciting sessions, but till then, goodbye and take care.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!